What's the meaning of book crossing? Book crossing. Book crossing.
Book crossing. Book crossing. Book crossing is the practice of leaving a book in a public place for others to find, read, and then pass on. The idea is to promote reading and book sharing among people and create a community of readers who share their love of books with each other. When a book is left in a public place, it is released into the wild and can be tracked through an online database to see where it has been and who has read it. The result is a network of book lovers all over the world, connecting through the sharing of literature and fostering a sense of community and cultural exchange.